What is the difference? Most, most of, the most, and almost. Hello everyone, I'm Ali Raza, and welcome back to Spoken English course. Today, we are going to solve one of the most common problems English learners face. What is the difference between most of, the most, and almost? These four words look similar, but their meaning and usage are completely different. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use all four like a native English speaker, with confidence and accuracy. So stay with me till the end. Part 1. Understanding most. 3 minutes. Check. Meaning most means the majority. We use most for general groups, not specific ones. Examples: most people like music. Most students want to improve their English. Most dogs are friendly. Common mistakes. Do not use the, my, her, those, these after most. Wrong. Most, the people. Most, my friends. Most, those books. All incorrect. Spoken practice. Repeat after me. Most people. Most children. Most countries. Most animals. Great job. Part 2. Most of. Meaning, most of means the majority of a specific group. Examples: most of my friends speak English. Most of the time, I stay home. Most of her advice was helpful. Most of those books are old. Rule: after most of, we must use a determiner: the, my, your, his, her, our, their, these, those, us, them, you. Common mistake. Wrong. Most of people. Right. Most people. Spoken practice. Repeat. Most of my classmates. Most of the students. Most of your work. Most of their time. Part 3. Most. Implied group. 1 minute. Sometimes most is used alone because the group is already clear from context. Examples: some people like rain, but most don't. There are many apps, but most are useless. Here, most equals most people, most apps. Part 4. The most. Superlative. 4 minutes. Meaning the most is used to show the highest degree, something that is number one, the greatest, the highest. With adjectives: he is the most intelligent student. This is the most beautiful place I've ever seen. It was the most expensive dinner. With verbs: she talks the most. I travel the most in my family. Students ask me the most questions during exams. Common mistake. Wrong. This is most difficult part. Right. This is the most difficult part. Part 5. Almost. Nearly. Meaning almost means nearly. Correct uses: she is almost ready. He almost won the race. It's almost midnight. I almost forgot your birthday. Incorrect uses: you cannot use almost directly before a noun. Wrong. Almost people. Almost food. Almost my friends. Correct: almost all people. Almost all food. Almost all of my friends. Spoken practice. Repeat. Almost ready. Almost done. Almost finished. Almost everyone. Part 6. Almost all of. 2 minutes. Examples. Almost all people love chocolate. Almost all fast food is unhealthy. Almost all of my friends wear glasses. Almost all of the students pass the exam. These are 100% correct and very natural. Part 7. Percentage Guide, 1 minute. Here's an easy way to understand it. Most equals 51% to 90%. Almost all equals 90% to 99%. All equals 100%. Part 8. Quick comparison table. Word, meaning, use example. Most, general majority, plural noun. Most people like music. Most of, majority of a specific group, determiner plus noun. Most of my friends. The most, superlative adjectives verbs. The most beautiful. Almost, nearly, verbs adjectives. She is almost ready. Almost all, nearly all nouns. Almost all people. Part 9. Mini quiz. Say the answers aloud. Most people enjoy movies. Most Judy ate the cake. Most of. This is difficult question. The most. She is ready. Almost all of my friends like cricket. Most of. All students passed. Almost all I travel in my family. The most. All children love cartoons. Most, almost, all. Both correct. Part 10. Final spoken practice. Repeat after me. Most people learn English online. Most of my students practice daily. This is the most important lesson. I'm almost finished. Almost all people enjoy music. Great. Thank you for watching today's lesson. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Spoken English course for more helpful classes. Tell me in the comments, which example did you find the most helpful? I will see you in the next lesson.